Select the cell or range of cells that contains the data that you want to reposition. Go to the Home tab, in the Alignment group. To change the vertical alignment of cell contents, click Top Align button, Middle Align button, or Bottom Align. To change the horizontal alignment of cell contents, select the cell. Click Align Text Left button, Center button, or Align Text Right. To change the indentation of cell contents, select the cell. Click Decrease Indent button, or Increase Indent. To rotate the cell contents, select the cell. Click Orientation button Image, and then select the rotation option that you want. To wrap the text in a cell, select the cell. Click Wrap Text. To merge cells, select the cells, click Merge and Center button to merge a selected range of cells. Then you can select the merged cell and reposition its cell contents.